Okay, thank you, boss.
Ayun na. Number 9. To number. Back to number 9. To number 7. To number 9. Santos. Number 8 to number 6. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number. Pass number 19. Sankey's ball. Number 9, Santos, looking for his teammate. To number 7. Back to number 9. To number 7, perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 15, Ignacio. To number 42. To number 21, shot. No good. Rebound number 8. To number 9. Looking for his teammate. To number 8. To number outside. Same ball. 10-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7. Shot. No good. Rebound number 15. Ignacio. Now Ignacio. Number. No good. Rebound number 7 to number 9. Santos. Number 9 to number 6. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound number 15. Ignacio. Now Ignacio. Looking for his teammate number 19. Perimeter shot, connect for 2. Number 8, looking for the open man. Number 7, looking for his teammate. To number 8, Ignacio, the 3. No good, rebound. Outside. San Miguel ball. Number 42 to number 21. To number 42 to number 15. Ignacio the 3. Number rebound by number 7. To number 19. Tamayo. Number 19 left. Looking for 7 to number 0. Foul. Number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots awarded to number 0. First shot, no good. Second shot, connect. Number 7 to number 8. To number 7. No good. Rebound won by number 0. Now number 0. Still the number. Back to number 42. Using the glass. No good. Rebound won by number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 15. Ignacio dribbling the ball. Outside. Same ball. Number 15, Ignacio. Number 19, connect for 2. Number 9, Santos, slide, pass to number 7. Shot, no good, battle to the rebound. The first whistle in the foul. Number 15. Palit 5 po. Palit 5. Number 15, first personal foul, first team foul. Palis 5 po. Number 42, jump, number bata po na ibang over number 42. To number 12, looking for his teammate to number 1. To number 22, stage number 3, number rebound over number 42. Now number 42, 3 on 3 situation, number 42. Using the glass, number rebound over number 22, pass number 42, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 42, Putis. Shot, good. Number 9, rebound home by number 42. Number 10 Palon, number 9, using the glass, so good. Still the number 22. To number 9, Monroy, looking for his teammate, number 22. Back to Monroy, looking for his teammate, number 9, to number 42. Back to number 9. Number 10, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 10, to number 22. No dribble number 22, using the glass, correct for 2. Number 1. Number 9, at the 3. Number Papa Patali by number 42. Number 42, left for his teammate. Number 42, number block by number 9, outside. Same ball. Number 42, looking for the open one. Number 9, Monroy at the 3. Press. Number 9, driving to number 22. Number 9, slide. Using the glass, double rebound, home by number 12. So number 12, 3 on 2 situation. Number 9, Monroy. Almost still outside. San Miguel ball. Pass to number 42, Putis. Using the glass, double rebound, home by number 9, Monroy. To number 12. Now number 12, number 42, perimeter shot. No, but there's a whistle and a foul. Number 12, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 22, perimeter shot, going for 2. Still number 22. Pass number 9, Monroy. Number 9. Looking for his teammate, number 22. Perimeter shot. No, dribble number 42, Putis. Almost losing to number 22, Costello. Pick. Foul. Number 9. Monroy, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 12, number 42, at the 3. Press. Number 42, number block. Number 22. Number 22, Costello. Using the glass, going for 2. Committee time out po. Committee assignment po.
Kaya nga nag-time out, di ba? Isigaw ka pa, inaayos na nga eh. Pre, liga. Dito ka magreklamo sa harap ko. Liga, dito ka. Hindi mo parang alam dito. Inaayos na nga eh.
Committee assignment lang po. Nakayos po.
Pag may reklamo ka, lapit ka rito. Inaayos
Sabihin
mo.
mo para magkaintindihan kasi hindi yung turo lang ng turo. Liga.
Sigaw ka na sigaw, reklamo ka na reklamo. Ayaw mo na
Napansin ko nga kanina pa eh.
Inaayos na nga, di ba?
Sa kabila.
Inaayos na nga, di ba? Salita ka na salita, layo ka ng layo.
Number 22, turnover 42. Block by number 9. Same ball. Number 9, Monroe, at the 3. No, dribble ball by number 22. Pass to number 22. To number 12. To number 42. 5 seconds to shoot, number 22. No, dribble one by number 12 to number 22, perimeter shot. No, dribble one by number. Battle for the rebound. Turn boys. Palit lima po, palit lima. Palit lima po. San Miguel ball. Official score 11-10. 1 point lead with Santi. Number 42, number 3. Number 15, Ignacio. Looking for his teammate. Number 42. The stress. Number 33, looking for his teammate. Number 7, at the 3, Norwood. Pass, number 42. Using the glass, going for 2. Number 6, at the 3. Norwood, rebound home by number 15. Pass, number 0. Easy, 2 points. Number 8, looking for his teammate. Number 6, spin, block by number. Number 19, number 42. Number 2. Timeout, Sanchez. Number 8, looking for his teammate. Number 6, at the 3. Norwood, rebound hole by number 15, Ignacio. Pass number 0. Perimeter jump. Norwood batted for the rebound hole by number 33. Now number 33, jump. Norwood, rebound hole by number 19 to number 0. Back to number 19. To number 42, perimeter shot. Norwood, rebound hole by number 7. Now number 7. To number. Easy 2 points for number 8. Number 42 to number 0. Pass to number 15, Ignacio at the 3. Norwood, rebound home by number 8. To number 7. to number 33, Trajano, looking for his teammate. To number 7, number 33, jump, calling for 2. Number 15, Ignacio, the number 0. At the 3, 1, 2, rest. Number 33, to number 8, Ignacio, foul. Number 15, second personal foul, third team foul.
Wala, baka tumalas sa laro ah.
First shot, no good. Connect. Number 15, line for Stevie, number 42. Perimeter shot, correct for 2. Number 7, foul. Number 15, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. First shot, connect.
Ilang fouls to give to me?
Second shot, connect. Number 15, at the 3. Number 3. Number 9, Monroy. Number 12, box number 9, Monroy. Number 7 at the 3. Level, dribble, where the number. Number 12, save the number. Outside. Sanchez ball. Number 7, foul. Number 22, Ostejo. Calling for 2. Number 9, Monroy. At the 3. And then we battle to the river, 1 by number 6. Foul. Number 42. First personal foul, second team foul. First shot, connect. Two for 2.
Pogi.
Number 1, box number 1, number 42. Number 42. Silver number 12. Number 12, spin. Foul. Number 1. First personal foul. Third team foul. First shot. Connect. No, rebound number 42. Number 9. Number 9. Foul. Number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. First shot connect. Number 2. Number 12. Number 6, jump. Number, battle for the number 6, number 9, Monroy, looking for his teammate, to number 12. Foul. Number 42. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty, number 42. Puti, going for his teammate, to number 22, to number 9. Shot, connect for 2. Pass will pass to number 12. Number 12. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 22, Gustavo. At the 3. Number 12, using the glass. Foul, glass the basket. Number 22. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 12. Roberto Simi. Number 9, Monroy. To number 22, perimeter shot. Number rebound home by number 22, Pudi. Now Pudi, number 9. Shot using the glass, connect for 2. Number 9, Monroy. At the 3. Nobu, rebound number 7, using the glass, over the left. Rebound number 9. To number 22. At the 3. Nobu, rebound home by number 9, Monroy. Number 9 to number 7. Use it outside. Number 1 to number 22 left. Moving for steering to number 1. To number 12. Number 22. To number 9, Monroy. Number 9. Still number 42. To number 22. Custodio at the 3. Uno, dos, tres. By Custodio. Number 9, Monroy. At the 3. Uno, dos, tres. Number 9, looking for his teammate. To number 42, Putis. Palit 5. 5 palit. Official score is 37-26 in favor of San Miguel. Kung sino po may gusto ng extra juice, meron po dito sa committee. Libre lang po.
ba? Creative na ito.
Number 42, looking for his teammate. Number 42, the number. Shot, connect for 2.
Number 19.
Number 42, to number 9. To number 7, jump, connect for 2. Number 11, to number 0. Looking for his teammate, to number 11, to number 42. At the tree, Norwood, rebound, winner by number 9, Santos. Pass with pass to number 8. Number 8, Pete, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 11 to number 0. Looking for the other man. To number 42. To number 11. To number 9. Connect for 2. Ayun. Still na number 19. Pass by pass to number 42. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 42, perimeter jump, no good rebound, roll by number 0. 3-on-1 situation, number 11 to number 0. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 7, Raymundo, Orasabo move. Connect for 2. Number 7, jump, connect for 2. Number 0. Number 42, number 3. Number rebound, roll by number 8. Silver number 19 to number 21. To number 11. Outside.
Opo! Mga charo.
Number 7. Steal by number 42. Foul number 42. Pass will pass to number 21. No good. Rebound roll by number 19. Using the glass. Foul. Number 42. First personal foul. Third team foul. First shot, no good.
Anong mga on-time market?
Number 7, to number 9, Santos. To number 22. Number rebound roll by number 7. Foul. Number 19. First personal foul. Penalty. First shot, no good. Number 11, 0. Foul. Number 42. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. First shot. No good. Rebound number 7. Number 7. To number 8. Almost steal. Number 8. Shot. No. Tapos po na iba. Wrong by number. Number 9. Santos. Jump. No. Rebound wrong by number 7. Foul. Plus the basket. Who's for the rep? Number 21. First personal foul. Number 0. Foul. Number 8, Ans Bo.
Call number 8. Lalabas yun, di ba? Lalabas yun, di ba? Saan? Alpo?
Po pahinga. Yung hands po.
Penalty na ba po? Dahil lang. Foul lang. Oh, penalty lang. Saan ba penalty? Sandy? Eh, pareha?
Both teams in penalty situation. Number 42. Shot. No. Rebound wrong by number 7. Pass to number 22. Number 22 to number 9. To number 42. Jump. No. Rebound wrong by number 9. Foul. Number 21. Palit ko po. Penalty. Iwan lang po yung thrower.
Nagtatago ka ba sa akin? Titignan ko tanga yung ano. Number 21 nilang na. Tinago ko siya itong kukuhan ko.
Yes, papalit sa thrower. Dito na.
Ipapalit po sa thrower. Dito ako sa gitna.
Na San Miguel.
Number 42. Putis. Losing the glass. David rebound wrong by number 12. Foul number 5. Penalty.
Sino na number 5 first?
Number 5, Bulls, personal foul, penalty. 2 shots awarded to number 12.
Ayun. First shot, Lepong.
First shot, connect. Two for two. Number 15, Ignacio, looking for his teammate. Number 5, at the swing, Logo, dribble home number 9, Monroy. Foul Monroy, to number 7, using the glass, 24-2. Pass break pass, number 42, using the glass, 24-2.
Number 12 nga.
Number 9, to number 8. Number 23, jump, connect for 2. Number 15, to number 42, foul. Number 08, first personal foul, penalty. First shot, no good. Second shot, connect. Using the glass, connect for 2. Outside.
Official score ba? 52. Saan nyo lang?
Official score is 48-52. Novo Drima Homer number 9. Number 22 is the number 3. Novo Drima Homer number 3. Looking for his teammate, number 9, Monroy. At the 3. Uno, dos, tres. Wow. Number 42. Blackman number 12 to number 33. Number 33. Putting the shot. Connect for 2. Change favor na po tayo. Number 9. Number 22. Using the glass. Number 3. Number 22 ulit. Number 2. Number 33. Pass fake pass to number 9. To number 33. Number 3 number 33 to number 9. Monroy. Number 3 number 15. Still number 33. To number 3. Number 3 number 42. Putis. To number 15. Ignacio. Number 22, Ostovo, using the glass, number 2. One point two in the San Miguel team. Number 9, number 3. Novo.
Gagawin sa kanya na, tinuro na ng 42 sa kanya eh. Nabol niya, hindi pa rin naman.
Number 33. Red first minute, shot. Traveling violation. 11 seconds left. Number 15. Ignacio to number 9. Using the glass, number 2. Passing pass, number 12. Bisa oras.
Yung mga balance pa.
San Miguel ball. Number 9. To number 7, number 3. Novo, battle for the rebound, number 11, pass big pass to number 91. Back to number 11, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 9, Santos, number. Forward, rebound, number 1. To number 0 to number 91. to number 0. To number 19, number 11, low impulse unit. To number 19, Tamayo. To number 91, still number. To number 8, to number 22. Number 9, Santos, perimeter shot. Number 3 by number 8, number 22, using the glass, cannot go through. Number 91, still 7. Foul. Number 91. First personal foul. First team foul. No. Number 7. Number 9. Number 9. Shot, double, rebound, number. Good. Number 19, Tamayo. To number 8, number 7, Raimundo. Number 22. Foul. Number 0. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 11. Number 11, looking for his teammate. To number 19, back to number 11. Still to number 7, number 22. To number 8, back to number 22. Using the glass, number 12. Number 19, number 0, jump, double, dribble, number 7, foul. Number 0, second personal foul, third team foul. Number 7 to number 9. Nobu, dribble, outside.
Yes.
Number 8, number 7 at the swing, no go, rebound, number 7. Using spot to number 7, using the glass, no go, rebound, number 19. Tamayo, number 11. Using the glass, connect for 2. Foul. Number 1. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 7, using Spaghi. Block with number 19, move over number 7 to number 8. Ignacio at the 3. Level, rebound, foul. Number, palit 5 po, palit 5. Foul, number 0. Penalty. Penalty rep.
Number 0 ilan?
Number 0, third personal foul, penalty. Ipapalit po sa thrower, lapit na po dito. First shot, connect. Rebound number 42 to number 15, Ignacio.
Ya, excuse lang ya.
Here number 23. Number 33 to number 12, to number 7. To number 6, number 3. Foul, number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 23 to number 12, connect for 2. Pass by pass to number 22, Custodio. No rebound, Custodio. No with the net. Number 22, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 33, pressing the ball, looking for his straight. Slide, shot. Logo, pada putariban, Roma number 42. Silver number 9, Monroy. Number 9, looking for straight. To number 33. To number 22, putting with a shot. Connect for 2. Official score is 62-64. 2-point lead, Mission Miguel team. Logo, dribble over number 33. Number 33, Corazon move, low for his teammate. Number 33. To number 12. Back to number 33. Jump. Logo, dribble over number 33. Pass to number 22, perimeter shot. Logo, dribble over number 9. Still by number 23 to number 22, using the glass double battle for the rebound, hold by number 42. To number 22, Ostogo. To number 9. To number 15. Wait, back to number 15. Pass to number 9. Using the glass, lower battle for the rebound, hold by number 12. Pass to number 33. To number 22. To number 23. To number 22, low first unit. To number 23. Jump. Connect for 2. Time out, San Miguel Beer. Number 15. Novo, rebound over number 33.
Ano ba yan?
Pwede po tayong pumunta sa Gasovo, may mga sample po ng wow pasta, carbonara, at spaghetti. Kung mga gusto po tumikim, libre po. Number 22. Nowood, battle for the rebound, over number 22, shot. Nowood the net, rebound number 12, pass break pass, number 9, Monroy. 2-1 situation. Number 9, still by number 42, Putis. Now, Putis. To number 42, jump. Nowood, rebound, over number 15, Ignacio. Number 15, to number 42. At the 3. Nowood, battle for the rebound, over number 12 to number 33. Number 33. Pressing the ball, looking for his teammate. Number 12, slide, shot, connect for 2. Palit 5. 5 palit.
Pumunta na kayo, sinabi na kayo.
Number 1 to number 0 at the 3. 1, 2, Stress. Number 7. Number 7, ganti po number 12. Number 7, slide, shot, foul. Number 1. Third, personal foul.
Hindi ako para dun sa amin.
Penalty red. Official score is 66-67.
Dito naman. San Miguel.
1 point lead by San Miguel. All 67. Number 1 to number 0. To number 19, jump. Connect for 2 para itamayo. Number 7, looking for his teammate. Number 7, jump. Connect for 2. Number 0, looking for his teammate. Number 13, back to number 0 at the 3. Rogo, the rebound home, number 7. Pass to number 42. Two situation, number 42. Outside. Same ball. Number 7, number 3. Rogo, dribble, number 42. Using the glass, no good. Number 6, connect for 2. Number 1. To number 19, to number 0. To number 12, using the glass, no good. Bottom for the rebound, home, number 7. Steal by number 19, jump. Connect for 2 para itamayo. Deadlock all 71. Number 7. Harassing by number 12. Isa number 7. To number. Jump. No move. Battle for the rebound. Over number 13. Pass to number 0. To number 1. 3-on-1 situation. Number 1. Using the glass. No move. Outside. Sunkiss ball. Number 7. Guarding the number 12. Number 7. Pass to number 7. Looking for his teammate. Number 6. Traveling violation. Number 1. Sudario to number 0. Looking for his teammate. Jump, foul, blast the basket. Number 08. Second personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot. Connect.
Ronnie!
Number 7, guarded by number 12. Number 7, looking for his teammate. To number 7, Tate. Pass to number 08. Perimeter jump. No good. Rebound home by number 7. Looking for his teammate. To number 7, still by number 1. To number 12, 2-on-1 situation. Pass to number 19, Tamayo. Using the glass, connect for 2. Back to the ball game. Number 33. Looking for the open man. Pass to number 7. To number 8. To number 9. Modro number 3. Modro dribble home by number 7. Using the glass, connect for 2. Three-point lead, San Miguel team. Number 9. Pass number 0, Ata 3. Airball, rebound home by number. Miscommunication. Outside, San Miguel ball. Number 42 to number 15. Ignacio back to number 42, Wata 3. Logo, rebound home by number 7. Looking for his teammate, number 12. Number 12. Still by number 42. Now number 42. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 33, catching to number 9. Number 33. Pass to number 12. Number 12 to number 8. Connect for 2. Steal by number 9, Monroy. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 42, perimeter jump. Nolo, pati pa tayo ng woman number 9 to number 0, Ata 3. Nolo, dribble woman number 15, Ignacio Ata 3 points. Airball, number 8. To number 9, Monroe Ata 3. Nolo, dribble woman number 42.
Ito na lamang.
Number 0. Pass to number 9, Ata 3. Airball, rebound roll by number 7. Now number 7, to number 8, back to number. Still to number 42. Pass to number 0. No good, rebound roll by number 0 pa din. To number 42, using the glass, connect for 2. Time out. Thank you. No good. Rebound over number 9. Pass to number 0. Now number 0. Perimeter jump. No good. Pass for the rear. Foul. Number 15. Warning for graduate. First team foul. Number 6. Number 12. Who employs teammate number 33. Number 9, jump, no good, pati po dito, hold number 15. Pass will pass to number 42. Number 42, using the glass, connect for 2. Lahat mo na sa sub, lumapit po ay dito sa may gitna. Number 12. Number 33. Jump, connect for 2. Yung mga sa sub po, lumapit po dito sa gitna para nakikita po. Thank you. Number 42, looking for his teammate. Number 15, Ignacio. Sub. Official score is 79-82. 3-point lead, San Miguel team. Number 33. Number 12, looking for his teammate. Number 8, back to number 12. Shot, no good, rebound, over number 42, pass, wave, pass to number 91. Using the glass, no good, rebound, over number 9, connect for 2. Foul. Number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul.
5-point lead.
5-point lead, San Miguel. Number 7. Looking for his teammate. Number 12. Using spot spin. Using the glass, no good, rebound, won by number 7. Using the glass, no good, the net. Number 91, passing pass to number 9, using the glass, connect for 2. Grabe.
86-79.
7.3, Benson Miguel. Number 7, number 33. Pass to number 8, using spotting speed. Shot no good, rebound over outside. San Miguel ball.
Sobrang dami po. Anong binibigay niyo?
Number 0. Pass to number 91. Number 9. Number 91, number 3. Novo, bata po tayo ba? Home number 9. Pass to number 9, Roy. Number 9. Almost lose it. To number 8. Using the glass. Novo, rebound, home number 9 to 1. Number 0. Using the glass. Going for 2.
Isang tubuan lang ah. Tay buto.
Number 12. Using the glass. Correct for 2. 7-point lead. San Miguel. Number 42, perimeter jump. Connect for 2.
Kung yung pwede ako.
Number 9, foul. Number 12, first personal foul, first team foul.
Tayo mo to. Dalawa pa po. Bishop Sur nga. Ito 90.
Rebound number 9, to number 42. Number 22, Costodio, low first teammate, to number 91. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 9, to number 22. Connect. Connect for 2. Pangot kami po. Number 12. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 19. Tamayo. To number 42. Looking for his teammate. Back to number 19. To number 91. Number 42. Jump. The wood. Rebound over number 19. Perimeter shot. Connect for 2. Number 8, looking for his teammate, the number 7. Number 7. Outside, same ball.
Sabi nga kung wala nang bagong gusto.
Number 0, looking for his teammate. Number 22, was Sergio the 3. Number 8, connect for 2. Official score is 88-94, 6-point lead, San Miguel. Number 42, Double dribble home by number 33. Still by number 19. Tamayo, number 42. Reaching the glass, going for 2. Low. Number 33. Looking for his teammate. To number 9. To number 33. Jump. Double dribble home by number 33. Foul. Number 0. Warning for graduate. 13 foul. Official score is 96-88. 8-point lead San Miguel. Number 33, jump. Connect for 2. Number 19, looking for his teammate. Number 11, number 13, connect for 2. Outside, Sabrut, San Miguel ball. Number 42, looking for his teammate. At the 3, Lowood, body for the rebound, Lowood number 7. Now number 7, 3 on those station, number 7. Steal number 42, pass to number 11. Jump, connect for 2, para number 11. Ten points San Miguel team. Foul. Number 13. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 8, number 3, Nobu, bottom for the rebound, over number 33. To number 7. The first service in the foul committed the jersey number 11. Penalty, ref, penalty. Number 11, first personal foul, penalty. First shot, no good. No good ulit. Number 19. Last 2 minutes. Number 11. Looking for his teammate. Number 13. Number 13. See number 8. Number 7 pass. Fake pass to number 12. Releasing the glass. Coming for a 2. Number 11. Guarding the number 7. Number 11. Looking for his teammate. Stay number 8. Stay number 19. Tamayo. Stay number 33. Number 12. Using the glass. 24-2. Timeout. San Miguel.
94-100.
Official score is 94-100. 6-point lead. San Miguel team.
Idol, 8. Release tayo, 8.
Number 9. Rashimi number 8. Number 9. Foul. Number 8. Second team foul.
Bola.
Number 42. Looking for his teammate. Number 42. Number 9. Jump. Connect for 2. Number 7. Catching the number 42. Number 7. At the 3. Level. Rebound hold on number 0. Number 42. The number 42 left. Number 42. Pressing the ball. Steal number 8. Number 8. Number 9. Number 8. Number 3. Number 8. This is last number. Number 42. Pass to number 42. Foul. Number 9. Number 8. 7. Personal foul. Warning for third personal foul. Number 19. Foul. Number 12. Warning for penalty pa lang.
Number 10. Penalty time.
Foul number 8. Third personal foul. Penalty. First shot, correct. Super 2. Mahmoud.
Final score. Final score bilangan mo.
Best player of the game, number 42.